If you're looking for a way to make money online in the fastest and easiest way possible, then look no further than our brand new course, Zero to Hero. What's up guys, it's Fergal Downs here, together with my business partners, Max G and Al Cheeseman. And first of all, I want to welcome you to the sales page for our brand new course and our brand new method, which is called Zero to Hero. If you're looking for a way to build an online business in a passive way, then this is the course and this is the method for you. We've been using this method online for over a year now, and it truly is a brand new way to make money online using tools online to do all of the work for you so that you simply sit back and collect the money completely passively. So guys, we want to welcome you to Zero to Hero. Go ahead and click the link below this video right now, and we'll see you inside the members area in just a moment, and we'll get started on this new method plan straight away.